I'm Jerron Corley. I'm a journalism major at California University of Pennsylvania, and I pay for part of my college by baking cookies, and that's what we're going to do right now. We're baking chocolate chip cookies today, and what we're going to start off with is 2 sticks of butter, and then we're also going to add in our white sugar and brown sugar, which adds like a molasses type of flavor, and start mixing. I always had a passion for baking, even as a kid. In high school, I actually took an entrepreneurship course, and they actually taught us how to create a business plan. They gave us startup funding for the business. Today, we have Jay's Comfort Cookies, which is the name of my business. I've made hundreds of dozens of cookies to this day. Next, we're going to add 2 eggs and just some pure vanilla extract. I'd usually like to add a tablespoon, but you can actually change it up how you like. Cal offers different opportunities for students to get involved in their studies. Everywhere I go, there's always something happening. Different activities, different students being involved, whatever their passions are, they live to see it through here at the university.
One of the reasons I love living at Vulcan Village is because of the kitchen at the Vulcan Clubhouse. So I'm able to cook all of my meals for my fraternity brothers or my friends, and we just all have a good time together.
Next, we have some flour right here, mixed in with baking soda and salt. What I like to do to make sure that it's consistent is to only add a little bit at a time. Oh, this actually smells good. Last, but definitely not least, we got some chocolate chips going on here. Semi-sweet, but you can also add milk chocolate, white chocolate, whatever you like. I like being able to discover different flavors, different opportunities, different experiments, failures, successes. You never really know if it's going to come out right, but then you just keep on trying, and eventually you get it right. And you can actually apply that to, just life. If you fall down, then you just have opportunities to get back up. You just have to keep working hard at it. We've preheated the oven to 360 degrees, and we're going to have the cookies in there for about 12-15 minutes. I actually work as a career ambassador at the Career and Professional Development Center. Working as a career ambassador, you develop different skills that are applied to the professional field. So imagine that these ingredients here are the skills. Right here you have time management, you have organization, you have team building. I'm gonna put all these skills and experiences together at CalU and create this giant bowl of success. Oh, these smell amazing.